Hey guys, welcome back to In the Woods with the Capones. Well, here we are. It's a beautiful fall day and the leaves have finally stopped falling. So I raked them up and I gotta get rid of them. I'm not in the mood to bag them like always. The last time we were using the earthquake chipper, the flap on the inside seemed to be getting in the way. So what I did was I removed it this time. I want to try it. I want to see if I can get rid of these leaves in a hurry. Don't want to spend too much time doing it. So I'll show you what I did with the machine. So if you remember, we had that rubber flap that used to come out and it prevented the leaves from falling in nicely. So I removed it and I want to try to get rid of this pile and see how long it takes me to chip it all up and mulch it. So let's get busy. wow. Night and day. With that flap missing, unbelievable. I burnt through half this pile already in a matter of 2 or 3 minutes. So, does it make a difference? Hell yes. Is it there for a reason? Probably. Do I prefer it without it? Yes. The bag is pretty much full. So I'm gonna dump that bag and start another one. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Be good, be safe, subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll catch you next time in the woods. Thanks for watching. All right, let's keep going.